Today is Friday, December 11th, 2020, and it's autumn. Welcome to our assembly. Puyake aho kalehua, kalehua o liko lika. Nihanaka aina o hanahua, lua o na ia aina I kamoana. Na o eoi o yakahili, ili ina awila me te aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. The world is made up of many people from different countries and cultures. We are all different and unique, but we are the same in more ways than we think.
From our study of science, we learned that those of us who live in the northern half of the earth are entering the winter season. The part of the earth on which we live is tilting away from the sun right now. That means the weather's cooler and the nights are long. There are more windy days and rain, and snow has fallen on Mauna Kea. In many places, becoming too cold to be outside, unless you wear special warm clothes. It is dark when children get up to go to school, and it's dark when children go home.
In September, we celebrated the Chinese Moon Festival, the full moon of the harvest lighting up the dark sky, as we recall the story of the moon goddess Chang'e. We made lanterns and ate mooncakes.
In October, during the Hindu festival of Diwali, fireworks and lamps lit the way, and bright rangolis decorated doors as people gathered to their families to remember an ancient story of Rama and Sita finding their way back to Ayodhya.
On the Day of the Dead, our friends at Mistletoe lit candles for their loved ones who died and for welcoming them back for the New Year visit.
The festival of Hanukkah celebrates the story of the temple lamp that magically burned for 8 dark nights on one night's worth of oil.
At Christmas, a star lit up the night sky as it shone down on Bethlehem, on the newborn child Jesus.
Kwanzaa is a celebration of African American culture. The 7 candles of Kwanzaa represent 7 main ideas about unity and working together and making the world a better place.
Hatsushinode, the first sunrise of the new year, is an important part of the New Year celebration in Japan. As the darkness fades and the sun rises of the new year, people gather around on mountaintops, beaches, and anywhere else with a good view of the horizon to watch it and pray for good fortune and happiness in the coming year. Miss Mahalo,
Miss Wendy,
Rachel Lynn Takemoto,
Mia Power,
Max Shara,
Dylan Rapp,
Carson Suzuki,
Loden Rapp, Jordan McKee, Nahele Kiakona.
For our mindful moment this morning, let's imagine that we are seated on a large flat rock in a dark forest. Tall trees surround us. Above, the sky is clear and the air is crisp, and we can see millions of stars peeking through the branches. There is a true sense of peace as we sit quietly, feel the cool air, hear the wind moving through the trees, and experience the woodsy smell of the forest. I've got my feet on the floor. I've got my spine in a line. I've got my hands in my lap. I've got my heart to the sky. I have my eyes closed. Let us take 3 breaths in and 3 breaths out. And send a light-filled thought to someone we love and care about.